What happens at light speed? Have you ever wondered what happens when something reaches light speed? This concept, which is about 299,792 kilometers per second, is fascinating. It represents a limit in our physical universe as we understand it today. When an object gets close to this speed, several remarkable things take place. First, there is time dilation. This means that time appears to slow down for the object moving at light speed compared to someone who is stationary. Imagine experiencing moments that stretch and bend in ways you never thought possible. Next, lengths contract along the direction of movement. This means that as something approaches light speed, it can seem shorter to an outside observer. It's as if the fabric of space itself is adjusting to accommodate this incredible speed. Additionally, the mass of the object increases. As it gets closer to light speed, it requires more and more energy to continue accelerating. In fact, to reach or exceed light speed, an infinite amount of energy would be needed. This principle comes from Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, which tells us that nothing with mass can travel at or beyond the speed of light in our physical world. Now, let's shift our focus to spirituality. Light speed can symbolize more than just a measurement of velocity. It can represent a boundary between different dimensions of reality. Many spiritual teachings suggest that there are realms beyond our physical constraints, where time and space operate in ways that differ from our everyday experiences. In spiritual contexts, time is often seen as nonlinear. This means that it does not flow in a straight line like we usually think. Instead, it can be more abstract, allowing for experiences that transcend the usual, one moment after another, flow of time. This perspective suggests that at or beyond light speed, the experience of time and space could be fundamentally different, aligning with spiritual realities that are not limited by physical laws. Furthermore, light speed may act as a threshold between the material and spiritual worlds. In some spiritual traditions, the process of creation unfolds through levels or worlds that evolve conceptually rather than physically over time. This indicates that light speed is not the ultimate limit of existence but rather a marker within a broader spiritual framework. Here, cause and effect, time, and space are aspects of a created reality rather than absolute boundaries. Practically speaking, this perspective encourages us to think about how spiritual energy or consciousness moves through and beyond physical limitations. Spiritual velocity can be understood as the movement of spiritual energy with direction and purpose, not just speed. This highlights how forces like love, compassion, and understanding travel through human consciousness, influencing and transforming our reality. Being open to spiritual energy allows these forces to flow and manifest in our world. This suggests that spiritual movement transcends physical speed and connects deeply with our human experience. At light speed, physical laws impose strict limits on matter and time. However, from a spiritual viewpoint, this speed marks a boundary that points toward higher realities where time, space, and existence unfold differently. Light speed serves as both a physical constant and a metaphorical gateway to understanding the mysteries of the universe from a spiritual perspective.